So keep on going. Okay, so this next nail also, again, before I even try and get it out, it's already come through the shingle. Again, it's probably doing that all across the roof. Okay, that one obviously not coming through. It's already through the shingle. Let's see if we can get this one. No, it's already through the shingle. Let's see if we can get this one. No, it's through the shingle as well. Okay, I think all these are going to be through the shingle before we can even touch them. That's fantastic. Okay, moving on. We gotta get this row. So we gotta get this nail, and this nail. So we come under here. Barely got that one to come through. Do this next one. Okay, that one went through. Ready. See, the problem with these nails coming through the shingles like that is the nail head's getting pulled through a shingle, and that's creating a larger hole in these shingles that we are not replacing, thus causing the potential to leak in the future. Because even if I put nails directly into that same exact hole, the nail that I'm putting in, the head's not going to be big enough to seal that hole up. So let's keep on going. Okay, again, that one pulled through. Get this one here. That one's already. That one's pretty messed up too. That one, that nail's already gone through. Alright. So this should come out now. Alright, so we've got that shingle out. That's the shingle that we're replacing now. In the process of removing that shingle, we have caused damage to this shingle, this shingle, this shingle. It's basically all of the shingles around that shingle that we just took out are now also going to need to get replaced, because those shingles have been compromised in the process of just removing the shingle. I haven't even put a shingle back in yet. If I had to make a determination, I'd say this roof is not repairable, and this is probably going to have to get tarped.